Hello everyone. In today's video, hold on. What is this? Checkpoint. Look back at your 2025 on Discord. There's a little flag here. It says checkpoint in the top right. What is this little flag? That is right, everyone. Discord has added a Discord rewind for your Discord account. Discord released in 2015. It has been about 10 years since Discord has came out, and they've never had a Discord rewind similar to Spotify Wrapped or a Twitch rewind or a YouTube rewind. And I know a lot of people have been wondering what their stats have been for the last year on Discord, including their messages sent, their voice call time, who they most message. Now, I have no idea what they actually track, so we're going to check this out together. Now, by the way, as far as I know, this is only available on PC or on your laptop, so I'm not sure that this is available on mobile. So if you do have a computer or a laptop, I would try it on there first, and I'd make sure to be on the Discord app, because I'm not sure if this will be available on the Discord browser app. But the update should be rolling out today, so make sure your Discord is updated, and you should see a little checkpoint flag in the top right in order to check this out. Now we're going to explore this here on my main account here to see what my stats are, because I am curious as well. So I'm assuming we just click on this arrow, and I have no idea where this takes me, but we are going to click on the arrow here. Here we are, checkpoint, look back at your 2025 on Discord. Now it says here at the bottom, only you can see your checkpoint unless you share it. So you can share your checkpoint with other users. And we're just going to click start here. I've never done this before, so we will see what kind of stats it shows. So let's click start. Here we go. 21,911 messages sent this year. It says we were in the top 2.39% for messages sent on Discord, so that's a pretty big accomplishment. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is emojis used. 4,346 emojis used. You can see my top emojis. The fire emoji, of course, the heart emoji, the checkmark emoji, or the thumbs up emoji, and of course our poggers emoji, which is in my Discord server, so that's probably why, and the skull emoji. All right, let's go to the next one here. Oh wow, so I have 1,016 hours in voice call. You're in the top 3.63% of Discord voice chatters worldwide. This makes sense because I do a lot of gaming. I'm not sure if that's a flex or not, but that's probably not a flex. But I wonder, by the way, whatever stats you get, please leave it in the comment section below. Put down your messages sent, your hours in voice, your top emojis. Put it all in the comment section below, because I'm curious what your stats are and what percentage you fall in under the Discord users. All right, let's go to the next one here. Here we go. So we can see my favorite servers here. And I guess it takes into consideration the most messages sent as well as how many hours you have in voice. Let's go to the next one. All right, so on this page, it shows your top 3 users that you spent the most time with, playing games with, or messaging in general. So this page shows those users, whoever they may be for you. Then it just tells you the top person that you normally play with or spend time with, and they're called your Discord sidekick. Another cool thing with this is you could actually send a special message to this person, whoever it may be for you, if you'd like. So they have a little option here, and it already has a message made out for you, so if you do want to just send this default one here, you can just make your own to send to them. Let's go to the next one. Here we go. We can see my top games, and we can see how many sessions you've had on each of the games. We can see my top games here are Rivals, Rocket League, Apex Legends, Roblox, and Repo, which are definitely my top 5 games right now. Let's go to the next tab here. We can see how many quests I've completed this year, mainly from my tutorials that I've been doing, but I've done 79 quests and I've earned 23,000 orbs. Please leave in the comment section below how many orbs you've earned this year and how many quests have you also completed. Let's go to the last tab here. Here we go. We got your checkpoint Deco. I have no idea what this is, but we are going to reveal it because I'm not sure what this is. Let's reveal. Here we go. Cassette, level 180,645, checkpoint 2025, number 7548. 9 out of 10. I have no idea what this is, but I guess it is looks like to be an avatar decoration. So looks like we do get a free avatar decoration as well, and it expires January 15th. So you have about a month to claim this checkpoint reward. So we're going to click claim now, and look at that. It's added right to our profile, and we could actually put it on. I'm not going to put it on right now. I can show it off later, but this is what it looks like. So we have gotten a free reward as well. And now we'll just click the last arrow. And now there is a final summary of all of your stats. So you could always share this with any friends or servers that you're in if you want. And please, once again, leave these stats in the comment section below and tell me what you got. Now, guys, while looking at this further, I actually found out that the 9 out of 10 on the little Deco card, Deco card that I got at the end of the checkpoint actually is how many cards there are. So if you are curious, there are actually 10 cards. And I was looking at this on this little article here, and it even says here that Discord will match you with one of the 10 different checkpoint cards. And it says each one comes with a different avatar decoration that you could wear until January 15th, 2026. So this just confirms that you might get a different avatar decoration than this one. And also, after looking at a few videos of other people looking at theirs, they got it looked like a banana looking one, and it was like yellow instead of white, like mine is white. So you could get a completely different Deco card than I do. So I just found that out. I just wanted to let you guys know before I end this video, because that's pretty cool. So you have a chance between 1 and 10, depending on the different stats you get, depending on, you know, how many messages you sent, what kind of games you play. It probably takes all that into account before giving you this avatar decoration. Now, sadly, it seems that since it is only available till January 15th, I don't believe that if you do have Discord Nitro like myself, you might not be able to actually keep it. Now, you might be able to, because it doesn't say for me that there's an expiry date. So if you do have Nitro, you might be able to, but it's still speculative. But I'll just say for now that it is available at least until January 15th, 2026 for you to actually wear. But either way, though, that is sort of just one thing I want to add before I wrap this video up. So make sure to check your card. Let me know, once again, in the description, what card you got out of the 10, you know, if you got 1 out of 10, 9 out of 10, whatever, because I don't even know what they look like. So maybe, you know, give a little description of what you got, because I'm not sure what the other decorations are. But anyways, right to the outro. All right, so that seems to be the checkpoint that Discord has just added. Once again, I think it's a really cool feature, and they've never had this before. And I would really like to know what you got in the comment section below, as well as if you are new to this channel, I do make Discord tutorials, so make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, please like this video, and please share with your friends if they want to find out how they can check their Discord checkpoint and their stats. As well as, please join my Discord server. It is linked in the description below. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers, and once we get to 3,000 subscribers, I will be giving away 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners, so make sure to join my server, because that will be hosted in the giveaways channel here on the left. And once again, this is a great feature. Please share this video with your friends if you think they want to check their stats, and you can compare your stats and see who has the better percentage out of all the Discord users. And once again, I will see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.